Hey there, how's it going? So I'm out on Coronado Island for the whole month of June. Brought my team with me and my family. So we rented this 3,500 square foot property right near the beach, and I want to show you guys around and show you what they do for their Airbnb. So come on in. As you can see here, curb appeal is beautiful. They have the AstroTurf, which I now use in Arizona because it's way easier to maintain. You can see how well they did the front landscape here. Plenty of outdoor seating, and it's just warm and inviting. It's a chill area. They got the 2 rocking chairs if the dogs could be out here with you too and just chill on the front area space. And then we got these giant doors, leads us into the living room here. In this property, they do allow dogs. You want to always make sure you're very clear if you allow pets or you don't allow pets, but this one, they have the hardwood floors. You have some throw rugs in here. You have a large couch where we've been hanging out quite a bit, watching some Netflix or whatever. Always provide the apps to streaming service. Makes it very easy to, get Netflix, YouTube, Hulu. That's important as an owner. You want to have those. There's tons of lighting. As you walk through here, we have the dining room table. And then as we move further, you got a large pantry, and then you walk in here, you got more seating, a large kitchen. I was pretty impressed with everything they left here. This one's a 30-day minimum, so they have to have, plenty of dishware, cups, a large refrigerator there. We move back here. They have some little seats if you have little children with you. Plenty of seating, another TV. I think this one has like 6 TVs in it. And then we have another amazing seating area out here. And then back here, we don't have in Arizona because we've been at the beach boogie boarding and stuff, so they got an outdoor shower. So with your wetsuits, with your boards, you just rinse them off outside so you're not bringing that inside. The other thing they did really nice, which I like, is they have plenty of vines here. So it's just a real warm, welcoming vibe. They have a nice painting over there, paintings here. Very impressed on how they decored everything out in this one. So walking back through the kitchen, we're gonna move to the upstairs. So it's a 2-story, and you have 2 outdoor sitting areas downstairs, and then we have 3 balconies upstairs that I'll show you. So talking to the host, they're booked solid for months at a time. So when you're booking a beach town or somewhere that has a high demand, especially with summer being here, you have to book it months in advance. I know on some of my properties, the snowbirds from Minnesota, Michigan, they'll book it like 6 months in advance for the nice weather to get out of the cold weather of the Midwest or the East Coast and come to Arizona. Up in this area, washer dryer, so that's important. Every property you guys start or own should have facilities inside the property. And then we're gonna move to a giant master bedroom here. It's got a jacuzzi tub, it's got a giant shower in there. They did a real nice job with the closets, getting these organizers, so that's important. When people are staying for 30 days, they want to make it like a home. This is the giant master, another TV here. And this one, they got a king size bed. Let's go out to the balcony. And another nice thing I noticed out here, plenty of seating. You could chill, you could have wine out here. The views are amazing. And then let's go down this way. We have an office for our team, videography, where we're doing a lot of content. Other thing is there's a lot of couches in here. There's a giant couch downstairs. Here's another big one if you want to have people come, and we will have visitors throughout the month of June, so this home really fits a lot of people. Right here is where Isaac's making all his videos, so we got plenty of workspace. Down here, guys, there's another 2 bedrooms. So this one has a good sized bed. Every bedroom has its own bathroom. It's got its bathroom and shower in there. Good closet space, another balcony out there. Down at the end of the hall is another bedroom. I like it because we could open the windows. It's got plenty of window space. This balcony actually looks over the city of San Diego. We'll show you guys the view of San Diego downtown. This here's another desk that we could use for work. We got the bathroom in there, good sized closet. Over here is the final balcony upstairs, the 3rd one. Plenty of dogs on Coronado. It's very friendly for dogs. You have Dog Beach we run to every morning with the dogs, and it's just a low-key type of community, very dog friendly. So if you haven't been to Coronado, definitely come check it out. We'll probably be getting some Airbnbs here. We're going to be looking in the area while we're here this month, so stay tuned. Maybe you guys could rent one of our Airbnbs. That's the tour of the Airbnb that we're staying in San Diego. Like it, questions, hit me up. This one was, for the 30 days, it was like almost 20,000. So the income, guys, is amazing if you could be an owner or you could arbitrage. We talk about all that in our courses. So definitely check out the new course that we launched in my bio, and we'll check you out on the next tour of San Diego.